Hello and welcome to I Am Organic Gardening. My name is Mark and I live on a 22-acre organic farm, and also we have a large backyard garden. So today I'm going to follow up on our potato testing results. So about 12 days ago I took some store-bought potatoes because we're going to be planting them outside very shortly, and I wanted to test them before they go outside because there's a myth that they might be sprayed with something. Now what I found out is that after 12 days they are sprouting. So one of the things we did is I put a potato inside a plastic bag with a little bit of moisture, and 12 days later I got it sprouting. And also in here we have some soil in a jar, and I planted one to see if it would sprout also. So I'm going to show you a close-up of all these results, these two things here, so you know that you can buy store-bought potatoes, test them ahead of time. And it took me about 12 days before I need to plant them outside, and I'll show you a close-up on both of these results. The first one we're going to look at is the one in the plastic bag. We're going to set down right there, and let's get a very good close-up of it. And we got some nice little sprouts there, and even on this spot over here, what I'm looking at right there, you can see some roots coming out, and that's a beautiful sign of everything's okay. And we have lots of eyes on this potato and looking good, and actually some more roots over here. Almost looks like a starfish there, but nice. So we're all set to go to plant this outside in our garden in about another 4 or 5 days. Let's move this aside. We'll save that for outside. Now this one here we have in our jar, which is very nice, from our soil in there. So we're going to reach in there and take out this potato. It's a little wet. I did add some moisture. And let's see. Oh, there it is. A little bit of growth right there. You can see it's doing very nicely. And let's get a better close-up. Here we go. Very nice. Nice little sprout there. A little over here also too. And it's doing quite nice. Actually, the one in the bag did a little bit better. Yeah, well, we got some sprouts over here too. Just covered here. You know what I should do is wash this off and make it look a lot better. Okay, here we have a nice clean potato, and you can see here that it's very nice and it's growing. You can see over here also too, not too bad. And also too, so all those store-bought potatoes, again, you just test them ahead of time and they'll be beautiful for your garden. Now we had some fantastic results testing our store-bought potatoes ahead of time. So when we plant them out next week, we can do it in confidence and enjoy that we know that they're going to sprout and grow nicely for us in our garden. I'm going to be doing a couple different methods of planting them in our garden, so I hope you watch those videos in the future. And also too, whether you buy, let's say, the organic store-bought ones or just the regular ones in the store, I still don't see too much of a difference. But again, if you wish to buy the organic, it's great. It's a little more expensive, but again, you might feel a little much better, let's say, buying that organic one. I do personally, buy the organic ones and use them outside in the garden. So I wish to thank you very much for watching this video. Keep updated with me, and we're going to go over a lot of things in the garden this year. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again shortly. Happy gardening.